Hey, what's going on, guys? So here I am going to show you how to pin comments on Instagram posts. Now, this is going to be quick and straightforward, so let's have it. So first, let's go ahead and open up our Instagram. Now, choose a post where you want to pin the comments from. Let's say, for example, this one. Go to the comment section, choose the comment that you want to pin. So let's say, for example, the second one, what you can actually do is you can tap and hold, and you will have some options on the top. Now, if you want to pin the comment, just tap on the pin icon, and this comment is already pinned. Now, that is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.